Hello students, today I am explaining important question in probability. Here our question is a random variable x has the probability distribution. Here table is given. First row represents the random variables and second row represents the corresponding probabilities. Okay, here find value of c and evaluate p of x less than 3, p of 0 less than x less than 4. Also determine the distribution function of x and find mean and variance. Okay, here our question is what? First one, find value of c. To find value of c, we can use one formula. What we know, one thing, summation of all the probabilities of a random variables equal to 1. So that means if we add all the probabilities, that value is equal to what? 1. That's why c plus 2c plus 2c plus c square plus 5 square value is 5c square value is what? 1. C square plus 5c square equal to 6c square. 2c plus 2c plus c 5c. This one, if you write this side, we get minus 1 equal to 0. Here we got quadratic equation. To find c value, we need to factorize. How we can do this? First, 6 square into minus 1, what you get? Minus 6 square. Okay. For 6, what are the factors? How we can represent this? 6 ones and 2 threes. Okay. Only two possible things are there. So now, which pair we can use here? For this problem. Okay, here we want 5c. Okay, if you write plus 2c plus 3c, we get plus 5c, but after multiplication it becomes plus, but we require minus. So that's why use 6 and 1. Plus 6c minus c, what we get? Plus 6c minus c, we get plus 5c. So middle term satisfied. After multiplying these two, we need minus 6c square. So plus into minus minus 6c into c, 6c square we get. So that's why two conditions are satisfying. That's why we can write 5c into 6c minus c. Okay. So now common 6 here in these two terms, what is common term? 6c. So here extra what we have c. So 6c taking common, we get here c. Here already only 6c is there. After taking 6c, here we get 1. In this term there is no common, only minus 1 is common. So take minus 1, we get c plus 1. Okay, here c plus 1, here c plus 1, take common, we get here 6c minus 1 equal to 0. So c equal to minus 1 or c equal to what you get? 1 by 6. But here probabilities are what? Always lies between 0 to 1 values. So if you take c equal to minus 1, here we get probabilities minus values. So that's why don't take c value minus. So c equal to what? We get 1 by 6. Next, our first question is what? Next question is what? P of x less than 3. P of x less than 3 means from 0 to 3. But here r equal to not there. That's why we need to write from 0 to 2. Okay, p of x less than 3 means from 0 to starting to 2. If r equal to is there, we can write 3 also. But r equal to not there. That's why p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2. So x equal to 0 value is c plus 2c plus 2c up to 2. Okay, 2c plus 2c plus c 5c. C value we got 1 by 6, substitute we get 5 by 6. Next, what our question? P of 0 less than x less than 4. So greater than 0 value we start from 1 and less than 4 end with 3. Okay, so that's why x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. So greater than 0 and less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2c plus 2c plus c square. So 2c plus 2c plus c square. So 4c plus c square. We got c value 1 by 6 and here substitute 1 by 6 whole square. 4 by 6 here 1 by 36. After calculation we get 25 by 36. Okay, next what they asked? Distribution function they asked. Okay, distribution function is nothing but cumulative distribution function. So we can write that function as p of x less than or equal to x. That means for 0 if you want to find out for 0 CDF, if you want to find out, here we need to substitute 0. P of x less than or equal to 0. Next, P of x less than or equal to 1. P of x less than or equal to, like that we need to find. Okay, after that we need to draw final table. Okay, already these values given. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 given. P of x values given. After substituting c values, we get like this. Okay, c, 2c, 2c, okay, c square, 5c square means we get like these values. After that, here we need to find the distributive function. So what I said, Here x equal to 0 means p of x less than or equal to 0. X less than or equal to 0 means only one value, r equal to 0 is therefore, so same value we get. X less than or equal to 1 means 0, p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1. That means we need to add like this: 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6, 3 by 6. 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 36, we get 31 by 36. 31 by 36 plus 5 by 36 means 36 by 36 we get equal to 1 we get. Okay, so for example, if I want p of x less than or equal to 3, generally if separately if you want to write without using this table means we need to write x equal 0 plus x equal to 1 up to 3. From 0 to 3, if I write, we get 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 1 by 36. From 0 to 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I add, what I got here? 31 by 36. Here also 31 by 36. Instead of doing this long calculation, we can write this table. So for first one same, second one like this add, for the third one like this, if you add, we get the values. Okay, next what they asked, mean means what? Summation x into p of x. Okay, so that means these two values we need to add and we need to multiply and add. 0 into 1 by 6 plus 1 into 2 by 6 plus 2 into 2 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 36 plus 4 into 5 by 36. After doing all calculations, we get 1.6389. So 0 into 1 by 6, 0, 1 into 2 by 6, 2 by 6, like this. Okay, next variance. Variance formula is what? E of x square minus E of x whole square. E of x means what? Here mean we can write with E of x also. So E of x square means here x square p of x. E of x means x into p of x. Okay, here this value we can write as E of x also. So E of x means x into p of x. E of x square means x square into p of x. Okay, so x square into p of x means 0 square into 1 by 6, 1 square into 2 by 6. Next 2 square into 2 by 6, 3 square into 1 by 36, 4 square into 5 by 36. Okay, after doing all calculations, we get what? 149 by 36. So 0 square into 1 by 6 means 0, 1 square into 2 by means 1 into 2 by 6, 2 by 6. 4 into 2 by 6, 8 by 6. 9 into 1 by 36, 9 by 36. After use the calculator, we get 149 by 36. Okay, but our variance formula is what? E of x square minus E of x whole square. E of x square value is 149 by 36 minus E of x value is what? 59 by 36 whole square. So use the calculator, we get 1.4529. Okay, the problem is over, ma. Thank you.